Hey Timberview, I am here to talk to you today about an exciting event that is coming up, our first house rally. And for those of you who are brand new to us, you may have learned that we are divided into 4 houses across Timberview: Tippo, Luova, Strike, and Busara. And those houses represent a family within a family here in our building. And so we're excited to have our first house rally. What is a house rally? It is a gathering of the entire house to build up spirit within the house, to develop an identity within the house. And so our house rally is going to be just one little 45-minute class period. It does not last the whole day. We're having classes throughout the day, just like any other normal instructional day, but we have carved out 45 minutes to hold these house rallies. Our house rallies are planned and will be facilitated by our student house leaders. We have some house officers in the building, and they have worked really hard to pull together some awesome activities to develop house spirit within our houses. And so there are a couple things that I need everyone to know. One, our house activities are really important. We don't do houses just for the sake of doing them. We don't do them for the sake of saying, well, you're Timberview and you're cool because you do houses. We do houses to develop a social context within our building. We do houses to build relationships in our building. You don't get to the curriculum until you have a positive relationship in place, a positive culture and climate in place in the campus. And so houses are a key part of developing that positive social climate in our buildings so that our students can learn academically and also learn the social skills that they're going to need to be career ready once they leave us and go through high school, college, and all of the things that they do to prepare for their careers. So it's really, really important. So there's a little bit of the why behind the houses. How can you help with our first house rally? One, if you're a student, come decked out in your house colors. You know what your house colors are, but I'll go ahead and go over it anyway. Luova, your orange; Tippo, your green; Strike, your blue; Busara, your purple. Wear your house colors or wear your house t-shirt. If you don't have a house t-shirt and you want one, we have them for sale in the office for $5. Get a house t-shirt, show your house colors. 2, be supportive of your fellow students who are facilitating this big event. This is their first time to do something like that. And imagine how you would feel if you were a student who had put a lot of time and energy and effort into putting something together for your fellow students, how you would feel if someone was not supportive of you. Be supportive. Teachers, we're asking you to be present for the house rallies. Come in your house colors tomorrow. Be excited. Be participants in the house rallies because we're all part of the house as well. And so we need to show that enthusiasm and show that support for these students who have worked so hard to put this together. And then finally, parents, I'm going to ask you, please bring your kids to school tomorrow. Don't let your kids tell you, hey, it's a house day, it's not important. No, we're spending 45 minutes on a house rally during the school day. We are having school, and this is an important part of school. Our students need to be here. Parents, if you would be so kind as to resist the urge or resist the temptation that your student might give you to pull a student out of house rally time in the afternoon, we surely would appreciate that. Don't pull them out. Let them stay and be a part of it. Sometimes students who struggle with social interactions don't want to be a part of our houses because we're asking them to interact socially. It's important that our students learn to interact socially. And when we take them away from those opportunities to interact socially, even though they're difficult for them, sometimes it enables them not to learn those key social skills. We want them to learn the social skills. It's important for them. So please resist the urge to pull your kids out of the house rally days. I'm excited about it. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to develop a lot of spirit, and I'm just grateful to all of you for the support that you can give to our house system and to our kids who are leading our houses tomorrow. It's going to be a fun, fun time.